Today, I'm going to show you how to change your birth date on X, formerly known as Twitter, using a quick step-by-step method inside your account settings. This is useful if you entered the wrong birthday when you signed up, or if you simply need to update your profile information correctly. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can follow along easily. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open X and log into the account where you want to make the change. Once you're on the home page, look for the More option in the left-hand menu. Click More, then select Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. This is where X keeps most of the account controls and personal settings. Next, click Your Account. This section contains your account-related information, including details tied to your profile and login. After that, click Account Information. You may be asked to verify your identity before continuing, depending on your account settings. If that happens, just complete the verification step so you can keep going. Once you're inside Account Information, look for Birth Date and click it. On some accounts, you may need to click Birth Date again to open the editing screen, so if the first click simply opens the section, click it one more time. After that, click Edit. Now you'll be able to update your birth date fields. Carefully make the change you want and double-check the date before saving. This is important because your birth date can affect account settings and age-related features on the platform. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct, click Save to apply the update. After saving, your new birth date should be updated on X. That's it. You've now changed your birth date on X.com or Twitter in just a few steps. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want help with any other X or Twitter settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.